here we will take a look at evaluating the composition of two functions. So here is a function f and here is a function g, and I want to find these values here. Okay, so let's have a look. First one is I want to find f of g of 5, like this. So what I want then is f of g of 5. So first thing, we'll do this in 2 steps. The first step then is to get the g of 5. So let me write here g of 5. So that will be the square root of 2 times 5 minus 1. So square root of 9, which is 3. And then I will take this here. So it will be f of 3. And f of 3 will then be 2 times 3 squared minus 1. 3 squared is 9 times 2 is 18 minus 1 is 17. So the answer to A is 17. So this number is 17. Okay, let's do the same with B. So in B, I want g of f of 0. So which is, of course, g of f of 0. Now, I want to know what is this f of 0. So let me find it here. F of 0 will be 2 times 0 squared minus 1, which is minus 1. And therefore, this is g of minus 1. And g of minus 1 is the square root of 2 times minus 1 minus 1. And actually, it is not defined because this is going to give us square root of minus 3, which is undefined. It's not a real number. So sometimes it may happen that what you are looking for may not be there, so it will be undefined. C. In C, we want to find f of g of 2. Okay, so of 2, like this. So that means f of g of 2. So that means we need to have a look at this g of 2. What is it? So that is now the next step, g of 2. G of 2 will be the square root of 2 times 2 minus 1. So it's square root of 3, which I need to use here. So it will be f of square root of 3. Now, f of square root of 3, that means 2 square root of 3 squared minus 1. So it's 2 times square root of 3 squared is just 3 minus 1. So the answer of this will be 5. So this answer here is 5. This one is undefined. We don't know. It's not. We cannot find it. And then finally, I want to find the D, which is g of f of 2, like this. So this one is g of f of 2. So I need to find this f of 2. F of 2 is 2 times 2 squared minus 1. So 2 squared is 4 times 2, 8 minus 1 is 7. So it's basically, this will be g of 7. So it will be the square root of 2 times 7 minus 1, which is the square root of 13, and that will be the final answer, square root of 13.